What are you watching? Are you looking for birds? There's none at the bird feeder right now. Let's see if they come. Let's watch. Leo's coming. What are you gonna do? Open the window? You're gonna open the window? Get the birds? No. Poor birds, Teddy. What do you see? What's out there? Is there a big bird? Just little birds. What? Oh, back up. Back up. No. No. What's your problem? Uh-oh. Oh, there it is. Teddy. It's just a little tiny bird. Whoa. It was just a little tiny bird. He's not going to do anything. He's trying to get food. You're going to guard the bird feeder. Are you going to guard the bird feeder? Oh well. They're never going to come back if you're here. Teddy. Teddy, leave the birds alone.